It is TV powered by World Sports Betting. Kaizer Chiefs 0, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. Before we get into it, remember there is a free betting voucher for you for 50 Rand on World Sports Betting. Of course, you go to the website there and of course you put DISC50 as your betting code or your voucher code rather. The links are in the description. Any challenges that you are having, you can always liaise with wsb.co.za. They will be able to assist you in that regard as well. Of course, terms and conditions apply. The terms and conditions are available on the website. Right, a very fascinating game. Mamelodi Sundowns dominant in the first half. It could have been 3. Kaizer Chiefs really played well in the second half. Overall, when Junior ubona njani umdlalo?
Yeah, Ngululeko, very good game. Intensity be high. Mamelodi Sundowns a bit disappointed. Mangiboni lineup yabo andile chala ngaphandle because I expected him to start, but remember it's very hard, especially abantu abanjengabo Mr. Msimane ukchange winning team, which is ngamniki benefit of the doubt bekunzima ukuthi but Rivaldo mawungacheka bit slow futhi. Yes, it did well njoba ngisho ngearrows engatheki. Namhla he was tested ngoba coach Kaizer Chiefs by shifting Folster second half when the put cool Folster, I believe the role yadlala first half as the attack midfield coming deep. Very it did well for me. I think the position Akemela told the position the guy going forward. I will suggest if they can try him there because bekakwazi ukuthi eliminate. And unfortunately azangakwazi kumthola kahle uKenneth Mweni because technically I believe the guy is good yabo bekakwazi kumbona noma bekamtesta phuma mhlambe liphume phezulu. You understand? And enye into enye ngayibona Nkululeko ezusho is Mamelodi Sundowns played very well. My first half, I expected ukutshelile ngathi kona dominate. First of all, bakwazi ukuphuma ku tight situation. It tells you ngaba drills abawenze a training session. It tells you technical team yabo ukuthi ba must they are good in technical. In technique yabo ngikhuluma ngepassing game, movement of the ball. They know when where. You understand? It's a pity njoba ngisho uhlompe bekangakatholanga umuntu ozomcomplimenta. But ngeclass it tells you ngeclass. Ngikhuluma ngeclass of football ebedlala eMamelodi Sundowns, ngikhuluma nge-first half ikutshela ukuthi i-Sundowns iyiphi inhlobo ye-team and fortunate they've got the goal, did well for themselves because second half Kaizer Chiefs honestly they came back. I think ibanqedile ne-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bathole these bookings nama-injury, especially Renato Castro and because first half bebadlala i-textbook i-football textbook football kusho ukuthi bebadlala bafuna ukuya wide basicrossela bani. You understand? I-coach izwile futhi lento yethu ikhipha uKatsande and angazi why bemqala ufiqala from there ifakwa Akamu even nayo Akamu their position Kaizer Chiefs. Can't they get somebody like Andile Charlie or Hlompo Kekan, a ball player person that is a hard worker as well? Ngikhuluma ngomuntu or a box to box person. Both of them kube ne coordination like Andile no lento leyenza iKaizer Chiefs kumele yenza iMamelodi Sundowns Kaizer Chiefs mina previous I know what Kaizer Chiefs could do it. Yeah, look much better special players bazitsheli like see coaches instruction. I don't think hiyo second half nami ngiyabaniki credit kusho ukuthi second half Sundowns drop a bit deep but ngphinde Sundowns Ngululeko.
But you can make the argument ukuthi I don't think uMatoho could have pushed forward adlale as a number 9 uma ngabe bekazenzela yena. I think that you can give credit to Umitendorp because one, they didn't win the game obviously, but in the second half really it was a major performance and you could see that there were tactical adjustments azenzile Umitendorp that worked in his favor and it was very difficult for his Sundowns.
Ngululeko, first of all, the shape. You need to keep shape at the back, irrespective of what lose, especially uthawu move early up front. Kusele boma take 15 minutes. Sundowns is ya Shaipali. Cyril Mabuye, ukushukuthi Mabuye. You understand? Ushaipali ukushukuthi uze and ureferee mangamcheka ukunama decision ama plan lineman and referee. You understand? Whereby athatha ama decision Sundowns could score more goals ngala ma offside lawa beka charge. You understand? It tells you beseka lahli shape. Afuna ukuyokora and uthawa I must stick and then isibonela abantu up front. Disappointed ngecoach Chiefs Manyama. Lengwenya leAmerican uLebogang Manyama Nkululeko. Lela cheze umchita mina lisebenzele. The guy is doing Fokol for the team. Ngiyaxolisa mina nyazi ungitshelile ukuthi is a contender for play of the season. Abantu abaningi basho kanjalo. Chances understand the next game. Let's check the guy ukuthi what is he doing for a club. I playmaker le Nkululeko. Today bekafihleke kakhulu. Where is needed mostly. Remember he's a playmaker. Lento leyenza umshishi like ku Sundowns today. He's the one supposed to, he must come deep. Akahlali ne back 4, he doesn't sit backwards. Angazifihli, you understand? And angeke run kuma opponent ku traffic every day decision making yakhe is poor. He must work footing decision making ngelo I change of gear yakhe you understand decision making change of gear yakhe enye into ulibamba kakhulu you understand ne space akakwazi ukulikha unokuphasa and then relax mawudlala le position upass and then umnika umuntu option either we run pass him okanye ulifuna close you understand uManyama akathathanga shot at target akatholakalanga lento yenza uForza acabanga uForza is the first time playing that position as an attacking midfield you understand but he did well very well than Manyama uForza just came today never even had shot target on target and then coach him keep that you going to Ernest Mendedob mina ngiya lose respect for him umfakile icabanga igame iyaphela now ubulala lo mfana confident is down lo mfana ka compete he knows he's going to play week in and he's been playing like this mina for me I'm sorry and Nkululeko ngisayiphinda namanje mawungacheka Nkululeko Sundowns ingitshelile ngathi iclub eatheka ngawo ngama engele I was very excited to ukubona Meza Sirino you understand nalo mjita lo mkhulisi and what is his name Zwane complimenting each other
we first half
ibanike goal lile win game namhla 3 point the fact ukuthi 3 point look at the goal in fact movement of the ball
that was a beautiful goal
uyalifuna lo mfana lo knowing ukuthi there's somebody into yase training uyabona I training they know strengths ayijara qala ba comfortable ebholweni bheka lapha ukwazi kuba iChiefs phela lapha babheka ibhola ngitshelile ngihlala ngitshela ba ball watch too much lapha yena clever defender could read the situation but ngendlela ukuthi balele babheka ibhola la likhona and then uzwane knowing ukuthi umjidana kanjani must run and bheka finishing knowing the keeper come and then Nolisa post very wonderful goal
any positives for Chiefs when you looked at them I mean they tried to push the envelope they really tried their best in this game of course overall I know you're not a fan of their football everyone knows that any positives about the way that they played in the second half to a point where Mamelodi Sundowns had to play 4 central midfielders Andile Hlompo Kekana Umkhulise and Rivaldo Kotie to defend so much in the second half
Kululeko I think the instruction from the coach was simple Mr. Msimane force them to go wide but force anything pick middle by wide but take nothing away from them Kaizer Chiefs second half they played well ile mina not 100% Kaizer part mfethu compare ama game ungabukilile brother namhlanje abanika second half mawungacheka qala ngizosho the boy Zuma lo coach emdayitha did you see when he comes in he makes a different bra you understand he makes a different kusho ukuthi umjita lento kumele ngabe yenza uManyama came 45 minutes umjita a lot was lo mjita kadlala regular unokuhlala kale standing is confused but today uthe Fokol wazenzela the guy did well esingisho ngithi Kaizer Chiefs going forward ngikhuluma second half my brother kune different enkulu engibonile yiko ngithi mina I don't think is the coaches ngoba akusifena le ball I know second half is going to make so second game is going to make so lot of changes you understand ngoba I know coach I believe uzobatshela ukuthi into yena nisebenzeli I don't think he's a fan of this game but ngalento ukuthi simtshela kusukum criticize I think uyawamamela that's why ethi imphulu katsanda fake uAcom you understand enibanqe mawungaba check Nkululeko just ethi ukuthi Sundowns they were more packed and Kaizer Chiefs programmed manizodlala ama game attack wide I'm more than 25 iba program ngithi coach maningaba niyenzi kona sit understand but abajita bake bazenzela ba move and then ngilibonile ukuthi khona ilento bengisayishona izolo when I was called on national TV ukuthi iclass ayikuthi akunama player that are good there are a couple of players that are good but some no ways you understand uqine nini uZulu mawuzomfaka kule game namhlanje when did Zulu came play Nkululeko lo mjita unabo ma 15 games not playing today you need him umuntu ozwenza different to put him where's Ngobo at least he came ngale game le the boy that first he played nge game le bayidlale nelo neBloemfontein Celtics the boy played very well you understand all of the sudden because umfana you lost the game and then you put him on the stand namhlanje ufaka uZulu agcine nini
I mean in the matches that they have now Bidvest versus Baroka I think Chipa United as well is somewhere there do you perhaps think that I know Middendorp probably is going to go back to his instinct of ukudlala long balls no Castro no Nurkovic do you not think that he should be pushing with this formation because it was very good and unexpected as well
mfethu Nkululeko that's why ngithi I'm surprised yabona ngendlela badlala ngayo second half not the best team eKaizer Chiefs but I'm very happy I was very happy ukubabona banokul move around you understand kube nenqondo ukuthi this team nabo kanti bakhona ukwenza you understand after watching them so many weeks and months badlala ibhola elisemoyeni Nkululeko which is I'm not convinced ngihlale ngikutshela Nkululeko ukuthi ngikutshelile leader nga 13 points ngendlela bebadlala ngayo ngathi mina bazobabamba because it's anybody's ball semoyeni namhlanje bheka abajita they were unfortunate unfortunate, Bram. It's a second half. It's Sundowns. Imagine a team like they won a star. They've been in Champions League so many years. You understand? They won the star once. We won dominating in terms of recently years, seasons. Trophies.
Champions twice.
We understand, my brother. He's a defend against a team that is been struggling like this second half. You only think not 100%, but second half. Kuna glimpses that I've seen with you. The players are comfortable, and I'm sure NS Midfielder is not happy with that. You understand? You only think disappointed. No, he can't go up front. Lela pola le lumchitalo mabuye. Manga check it was 3 against 2. Le mabuye. Joba shaipal. We got no option to pass kulisi la payan. We are gonna score himself. Joba shaipal. We are gonna just as be relaxed. And then now umchita mfethu. Umchita mabuye. That guy. He mustn't confuse himself. You understand? Because sometimes when you got coach stress cool, they don't know where they're gonna play him, where they're gonna put him. Nam try mangam check again. He's a bit slow, undecisive. Which could to lost man. That boy he mustn't forget. Good bam respect. That boy was on top of this game. Mangai coach lagabuele boy could drink pot. He's not a bad player, but really. Umchita kabuyele back ku drawing board khona intanga science kahle bamchita kaningi and mele imtshele lento leyo. You understand?
Do you think siyayazi ba uParker udlala phi njani ntoni, like do we know exactly what that guy, because udlala left wing back in the same game adlala midfielder, attacking midfielder, as a striker, exactly what you see for the future ka Parker kule team?
Kulego, that's why I'm questioning coach man. Umbonile umgcini isikhathi eside kanjani. Number 1 is an experienced player. I know previously he has done a lot for himself.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, but currently the energy, I'm crying for putting him ubekele intwana ngaphandle iphindi be questionable. Yes, he's an experienced player, but the ntwana le edlali wing. Yeah, mina could move him from the wing kule position ka Park. Ngoba there's no energy chasing back. Ngoba lo mjida bamchifta ama position a lot kaning. Losing ball cheaply, no impact. We understand what position is he playing, is running all over. He's an experienced player, supposed to lead by example. So now we tell the coach coach no mangabi Chiefs management will tell him. Good coach, listen, is giving Fokol. Yes, we have to check out the youngsters, but to leaving. You understand? The lineup play Kaizer Chiefs. Imagine labantu labo before lockdown they were leading. If Sundowns they didn't if Sundowns if Chiefs lose the game, Sundowns pay or win. It's different things by 1 point. Marmina knew even 13 points Orlando when we start to work Sundowns versus Chiefs. Kulego ngababona labantama game. They won njoba ngitshela amagoal abo ama crosses. Bengizibuza ukuthi asithi bathola a team that is more off. Phela ama team they practice this. Bakutshela ukuthi mhlambe wena uActors Saminokovic uyi teammate yabo. Put somebody next to you ukuthi is for a second ball. You understand bese bathahlala endlini. Like Sundowns is strength sabo. Noma ngabheka they were down. Look at Sundowns now, they were flat abangafani. Manje kuya ku down. Mara look at the philosophy. The culture balahlanga just that babathangilisha abachita babayenza amasap because of the depth abanayo bheka ama results and mina wena nama ngas disappointed truly speaking after Highlands mara nyabazi ukuthi iclass is permanent nguleyo yeah I performance into temporary but now look at them. Mfethu lela goal le nya understand singakhuluma sharp second after bit flat mara mina ne coaching yayinika second half futhi yazi kanjani singamcriticize kunamanye ama game njengama cup game uzowina ugly Bram because namhla upizza qava manje they are level ngama point uyathanda uthandi 53 they equal and now Kaizer Chiefs feeling the pressure. Remember bahlelda equal different basazodlala ne Pit West in a chance in a 45 point. Pit West and with three games now remaining is gonna be tough for Mamelodi Kaizer Chiefs. Sundowns, Baroka, Golden Arrows, Baroka, Polokwane and Black Leopards. Kululeko those teams they are in relegation zone. They are under pressure. They playing Sundowns like it or not. They will go all out. Angeke by attack Sundowns with those teams. Ne Arrows I check out sitting in the back at the back. So they can sit at the back marmera core. So Sundowns will break them.
All right. Last one then. Do you think at the end of this weekend both teams are playing on Sunday? Chiefs in Chiefs here Sunday. Sundowns playing on Sunday as well. Do you think by the end of this weekend we will see Sundowns on top of the log? I mean they are equal now. Ingapela leveki each Sundowns top of the log.
Kuleke Kaizer Chiefs isazoluza ama game. Nale game ya Sunday. Confidence is down. Players no longer highly motivated. But me advise the players that they are not playing if Babatlali Samanj raise their hands. You understand? Because the coach if they lose the league, I don't think it's gonna stay there. You understand? They must do it for themselves. Or technical team, no matter the decision the coach is left, Bashali. You understand? Because I believe there are players that they're good, they're not even playing. Get selected. You understand? So, Kaizer Chiefs will be under pressure. They're going to be under pressure, honestly. Whether they're going to be under pressure and the team is under pressure. If it's no longer if it's split into next season. So I'm a player as a team, yes, we can give enough for Kaizer Chiefs. Shabai Funi League, but sometimes Mangwai Cheka, they mohang. We understand if it's a pindi that okay. Manganzalang Chiefs, but the next season. And cheaper. Remember, the coach was given a mandate. He would save us from relegation. It's a very structured, clever coach. A team you understand? No man figure man to a team whereby we changes morning. But I'm sure he's gonna work with those players. It's gonna be tough for him. The Chiefs in the corner it's not gonna be easy against Chipa United. Do you understand? And the foot Kubaroka, not well structured team. It's been struggling that team, but if it was Chiefs, they are relegated. You understand? So Nkululeko tells you Sundowns intentionally. I know. I've never Sundowns we flat, but I was convinced. Respect but convinced. Sundowns ngale game winning the very good. Dapa was excited. They win 1-0. Remember, Colinaros came with us, keep tennis shapes back. We playing against Sundowns. We respect them. They didn't not too short on target. You understand? It's good Baba Shonipa. And Steve Compella is been in is a national coach before. Coach Kaizer Chiefs, the top class coach. But respecting Mr. Simon, imagine Mozo Dalana Baroka. I respect their coach and stuff. It's gonna be tough. Good Bafimbe, Sundowns, Baroka, Leopards, and Pulukwane City as well.
All right, there you go. www.wsp.co.za. That's the World Sports Betting website. If you want to put your money on some live matches in the Absa Premiership and of course in global football as well. 064-525-0513. That's our WhatsApp number for video clips only. We're also on Facebook. The guys were trending on Facebook today because we shot a video there. Over 4,000 people have watched it within an hour. So that's the community that you need to join as well. Thank you very much for watching this video.